All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We got the Barnes Vortex 44 Magnum. Did a shoulder shot on a doe about 3-4 weeks ago. Just gonna show what happened on the inside. So if you're a little bit squeamish when the time comes, or if you got kids around and they like Rudolph and Bambi and everything, you might want to get them out of the room or turn the video off. But yeah, we're gonna show the doe only went about 20 yards on the shoulder shot, squared it up, went right through the lungs, liquefied everything, and took a chunk out of the heart. And that's what we're about to take a look at. So y'all, if you're squeamish, go ahead and turn this video off. Pretty much now, you're pretty much safe. But here we go. All right, here we go. Take 3. Graphic content warning. You're about to see the innards of a deer. So if you're squeamish, you got kids around that like Bambi, get them out of the room, because here it goes in 3, 2, 1. All right, here's that 44 mag Barnes Vortex, squared up on the shoulder shot on a really nice doe. Liquefied everything up in the lung cavity, and we blew that heart up. With straight shot. It was not a complete pass-through of the shoulder. Note on that one. Not like the 45 Colt. If you want to go comparison, when people say apples to oranges or whatever, the 45 Colt did go all the way through. The 44 Magnum did not. But we definitely got more damage on the inside from the 44 Magnum. So there you go. She went about 25 yards on the shoulder shot, and that's it. Good deal.